There is no reason to be driving in 2024 without a dash camera. I will show you how to install this 2K mini dash camera with both front and rear recording. This one is very small and discreet to the point that you can sometimes forget it's there. Take a look at some recordings done by this camera. That's the front and that's the back. This camera has built-in Wi-Fi which provides connection to an app. In the app you can save videos, change settings and use your phone as a display to display the rear of the vehicle while driving. This camera can handle memory cards up to 128 gigabytes, which is a lot of storage. Inside the box are the main camera, rear camera, GPS antenna which will not be used, the 12-volt power supply, and a pry tool to assist with installation. On the front of the camera are Wi-Fi and a camera recording display. On one of the sides is the speaker output, power and reset button. On the other side you find a memory card slot, audio-visual input for the rear camera, and a power supply port. Installation is pretty simple. Install a memory card with the metal connectors not facing you, so it should be facing the front of the camera. You might need something pointy like this pen to get it all the way in. Next, decide where you want to place the camera and clean the glass with rubbing alcohol or any type of degreaser. Remove the strip from the adhesive tape and press the camera against the glass as straight as possible. Connect the rear camera connector as well as the 12-volt power supply. Neatly run the wires under the roof covering like I'm doing here. Just take your time and insert the wires. When you get to this point, run the 12-volt power supply down here to the 12-volt plug and the rear camera wire up here to the back of the vehicle. Hide the wires like I'm doing here. This wire is very long and should be long enough for most SUV and sedan motor vehicles. Normally this red wire should be connected to the positive wire of the reverse light, but I won't be doing that today. If you want to see how this can be done, see link to a video in the description below. I will hide the excess wires under this panel. It will not affect the rear airbag here. I will install the rear camera similar to the front camera. Clean the glass with rubbing alcohol or degreaser, remove the strip from the adhesive tape, and install the camera in the center as straight as possible. The camera view can be adjusted vertically. Now I can connect the rear camera and hide the rest of the wires. For the 12-volt power supply, I will hide the wire under this rubber strip and run under the dash to the 12-volt power port. So this is the final look. The main camera is right here. Wires running here, rear camera to the back and power supply to the front. To install the free camera app, use a phone camera to scan the QR code. Then install the app. Turn on the vehicle and press the power button on the side of the camera to ensure the Wi-Fi is on. Connect to the camera Wi-Fi which should be named car_DVR. Enter password 1234567890. Now both the front camera and the rear camera can be viewed live. You can change the settings here. Download videos and also use your phone as a display while driving. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. But before you go, do something for me. Hit the like button for the algorithm and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so. See you on the next one, guys.